Hey, all of you, hope you guys are great. So I believe that you guys are enjoying this particular project, token staking Dapp. And in the last video, we have built our ownable contract, which will allow us to identify that who is the owner of the contract. In this video, we're going to build a smart contract for reentrancy guard. This one is most common threat in the blockchain space in the smart contract. And we're going to solve this particular issue with the help of reentrancy smart contract. Let's define the authority version. And we can build our abstract, so we'll say contract and we're going to call it reentrancy guard, and in that we have to build the entire logic for our logic for the reentrancy guard. So we're going to take a couple of things. So we'll take a variable called private const non enter one. So those who have called the function for the very first time, that's what we call one, and those who have called this function twice means it's calling in the loop, then we're going to simply update it to 2, and this will allow us to prevent our contract from reentrancy. Let's build the logic. We can come here. We'll take a unity variable called private status, and we can take a constructor. Inside that, we have to take the status equal to non-entered. So we have to simply update the status number to non-enter, means 1 by default. But we can come here. We can define our modifier. It will say non-reentrant. Inside that, we have to come down here. We have to take the required statement and we have to simply check for the condition, and then we have to throw this particular error message. Reentrancy guard reentrance call means those who will try to call the function twice, this is the error message. We're going to throw it out. We're going to update that. Then we'll take this status and we'll say entered. If this statement is fulfilled, then we have to simply update the status, and then we have to simply continue on. Then we'll take the status and we'll say non-entered and close this one. So this is the reentrancy guard, pretty simple smart contract we have. So what we are doing, we are taking this toState variable, then we are simply updating the status of the non-entry, then we are checking in this particular modifier that if the statements get fulfilled, then we have to simply update it in the first function call, but if it's not, then we have to simply keep it to the non-entered. That's what we have here, and this is the simple modifier we have. Pretty simple one. So now come here. Now we have to simply write. So that's the only thing I want to cover in this video. Hope you guys have understood that what logic we have implemented and how you can prevent reentrancy attack. So this is the approach you have to take when you are building in a DeFi project, because when there is a transfer of tokens and staking of fund in the contract, this is the most secure way which you can take to prevent your contract from getting hacked or getting attacked by the reentrancy. So that's the approach you have to take. With that, let's move to the next video.